Hi, welcome to Sounds of Vicious, a music session in collaboration with Why We Out and Musikatalog. And now we got Sbplusix performing Powerslide. Check this out.
Please go cancel me now. Please go cancel me now. Please go cancel me now. Please go cancel. Hit it one more time. Please go cancel me now. Go back to your bed and you can drag me down until out of myself is strong. Roll out the feel, I'm lost on empathy. Just no one, cause that's a fucking drop. Please go cancel me now. Go back to your bed and you can drag me down until out of myself is strong. Roll out the feel, I'm lost on empathy. Just no one, cause that's so fucking dramatic. Motherfucking one time I feel so dumb like hit those scratch that drum. But I feel that hit like emoji. Hit the hip 2 times get troublesome. My flow so hard don't need elements to ways that make assumption. WWO is a motherfucking playground. Chicka chicka ah, good touch it. Baby to the snake keep dancing. My bros can you be you can use to. Simple thing that make me fire, but the hard thing never tire. Life's option is the complex, but I be inside on the last take. Motherfucking let's go on the flight redemption and that give me intention. Scare fast, then could you make it last? Bad days, don't let me go to waste. Please go cancel me now. Go back to your bed and you can drag me down until out of myself is strong. Roll out the feel, I'm lost on empathy. Just the one, cause that's a fucking drop. Please go cancel me now. Go back to your bed and you can drag me down until out of myself is strong. Roll out the feel, I'm lost on empathy. Just the one, cause that's so fucking dramatic. Why you gotta be so complicated? But you know that strange off like I am dead. It freaks me out when I'm turned 21. Those problems come to me that fell hiding in blue jeans. Walking like a rubber jump, but I'm stuck with that. Laying down on the couch like I lose cigarettes. I was sitting on the floor and make breads. Then I make breads. Fuck this shit, it's my time to change again. No regret, cause I got too upset. Laying down on the couch like I'm feeling it's great. Too many problems that I got, but I can't explain. Jumping on the plane like I'm fucking insane. Catching all my big dream, I'm trying to dealing with my feelings. Breathing, screaming, learning, burning. Back then I will make it to the zero, but it's not an intro. Intro flies so fast like nitros. Yeah, uno dio.